Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
Hyundai debuted the first model of dedicated EV brand for North America. The 2022 Ioniq 5, based on the all-new e-gmp platform, shares powertrain with the 2022 Kia EV6. Powered by a 77.6 kWh battery, it can travel up to 300 miles in a single charge and scout to 60 miles per hour under 6 seconds. Building on the latest, all-electric e-gmp platform, Hyundai's 2022 Ioniq 5 might be the very first of new EV models coming into the US with time. EV mid-size sedan together with some Palisade-sized SUV will also join. However, Hyundai is kicking off with a very widely adopted segment, crossovers. It competes with heavyweights like the Volkswagen ID.4, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and the Tesla Model Y. The Ioniq 5 shares its underpinnings with the recently revealed 2022 Kia EV6. Exterior. Commenced in February, Ioniq 5 will be sold under Hyundai's new Ioniq sub-brand using bold styling, inspired by the 45 concept. The automaker states that the e-gmp platform supports a long wheelbase allowing more living space inside the car. The 2022 Ioniq 5 highlights an enhanced design for minimal panel gaps and a grille-free beak, and a clamshell hood for improved aerodynamics and pixelated electronic light. An oblique outdoor design, a compact rear droop, and steeply forward-canted back glass create the Ioniq 5 seem like a hatchback instead of a crossover. The Ioniq 5 rides on 20-inch aero-optimized wheels that complement the vehicle's unique proportions. Interior. The Ioniq's 118-inch wheelbase is greater than the Palisade SUV, although overall expansion puts it straight between Tucson and Santa Fe, which renders it into a roomy interior. The 2022 Ioniq 5 gets a flat floor design and more interior space than a conventional combustion engine vehicle. You can enter and leave the cabin on each side. The uniform floor and sliding center console allow this effortless passage. Ioniq names this center console as Universal Island and states it is a fundamental rethink of this traditional center console. About the materials in the interior are made from a variety of recycled fabrics, recycled plastic bottles, plant-based, and natural wool yarns. This allows the cabin to be stretched out and the Ioniq 5 feels very roomy inside for both front and rear passengers. Cargo room measures around 27.2 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 59.3 cubic feet with them folded. Safety features. Here's a list of some of the standard features that found their way into the Ioniq R. Lane keep assist. Smart cruise control. Driver attention warning. Blind spot detection with rear cross traffic alert and lane change assist. Automatic high beam assist. Rear view camera. Tire pressure monitoring system. Driver knee, dual front, side impact, and side curtain airbags. Remote keyless entry with alarm. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.